Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Centipede means 100 legs, though most centipedes actually have much fewer. This baby in the picture was born twice. She was taken out of her mother's womb for some life-saving operation. Later she was returned to womb for birth. There is a theory that the average person walks past a murderer 36 times throughout their life. People who are raised in warmer climates tend to be friendlier than those brought up in places with cold, harsh temperatures. Aiming at two targets at once is hardly possible. The process of forensics only helps to collect evidence. A padlock shackle is thick and made of iron. A small bullet would not break it. Address haters in your daily life head-on. When ignoring someone is not an option, approaching the situation directly may help release the jealous tension. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. Ferris, a 7-year-old newsie, the child was working selling newspapers and had little to no education and was unable to figure out the correct change to hand to the customer mobile. Scientists managed to successfully mix goats with spider genes, and now they can produce an extra protein in their milk, which is extracted and spun into spider silk thread. A 2000 years old Thracian chariot with horses' skeletons was found in Bulgaria. Ants gutted almond to make their own almond flour. No matter how hard a person exhales, their lungs will still have about 1 liter of air lingering inside, which makes the organ buoyant enough to float on water. Velociraptors were actually feathered animals. In the 1950s, indigenous peoples of Papua New Guinea suffered from a rare brain disease called Kuru due to the ritual of cannibalism. Grapes are a healthy, naturally sweet treat, especially if you're trying to reduce your processed sugar intake. A study found that moving on after a breakup is similar to ending an addiction. In Egypt, around 17,000 divorce cases in 2018 cited Candy Crush as the cause of divorce. Sweden experimented with a practice that drivers who drove under the speed limit would have won a lottery where funds come from the fines paid by the speeders. Hin Sam Van, which means three-wheel rock in Thailand, is a 75 million year old rock formation jutting majestically out of the mountains. Amasunzu is an elaborate hairstyle traditionally worn by Wandan men and unmarried women, with the hair styled into crest, frequently described as crescent-shaped. The world's most expensive bottled water costs $60,000 per bottle. The water comes in handmade bottle covered in 24 karat gold. In the 1930s, there were self-parking cars that car drivers could parallel park thanks to the fifth wheel that could move sideways and help the driver to sneak into the smallest space. Owls cannot chew their food as they do not have teeth. If the prey is too large, then they tear it apart by using their beak. Mosquitoes have two eyes. Each of those eyes are made up of hundreds of lenses called ommatidia, and these ommatidia enables the mosquito to see from many directions at once. Newborn babies cannot taste salt until 4 months of age because their kidneys are not fully developed by this time. It is the kidneys that get the sodium done, which is the reason for the taste of salt. You will be surprised to know that mosquitoes can see only two colors, black and white, that is, mosquitoes are color blind. If a child's stomach is full and he is given more food to eat, then he says no by shaking his head left and right. Scientists believe that the habit of saying no to humans by nodding their heads has originated from here. Dogs are often seen running behind vehicles. Actually, dogs decide their area by urinating on the tires of vehicles. When the car passes through another locality, the dogs there cannot tolerate the smell of urine. After 34 minutes of conversation, a woman already knows if there is a potential of having a long-term relationship with the man or not. Scientists have discovered that monkeys are susceptible to optical illusions just like humans. What if Saturn and Jupiter collided? They are gas giants, so it could have been possible in the past. Head-on collisions. Collisions that are not head-on, known as oblique collisions, can give different results. The process of removing the grain coloring from the skin of citrus fruit. Degreening in citrus is done with the application of ethipon. Thanks for watching.